let's do a quick unboxing of Xiaomi 17. I'm gonna show you what accessories can we find inside the box, and of course how the phone looks like. So let's get right into it. It's a huge box, definitely. We have the paper box first, which I'm gonna remove from the main box over here. We have our phone in here, which I'm gonna also take out. There we go. And there is nothing besides that. At least it seems that this part is not removable. Over here I have the phone, which we're gonna take a look at just in a second, but first let's focus on whatever we have inside this paper box. Let's close this for now, and let's see what do we got in here. So on the reverse side we can easily open this paper box. We can see the eject tool immediately. We can find the USB-C cable. This is actually USB-A to USB-C, so Xiaomi still uses USB-A to USB-C. Over here we have documents. We have the example case, a protective case, a silicone case that we get with the phone, and some other stuff in here includes just the information about the IP rating. I actually have to take it out like this because I cannot remove it normally. There you go. So we have the IP rating, for example, so information about the battery and stuff like that. So pretty simple. It's a good thing that we have a protective case. Unfortunately, no charger in my case. This is the phone from Europe. It was bought in Europe, so power adapter is unfortunately not included. And now let me just take out the phone, so we're gonna take a look at it. Alright, so here we got the phone. It looks pretty nice. Here we have the back cover. We have our cameras. On the left side we can find the power button and volume buttons. On the left side there is nothing. At the top, nothing as well. And at the bottom we have our USB-C port, speakers, microphone, and the SIM tray. Pretty simple, although just by holding the phone I can tell it feels quite premium, so that's I guess a good thing. And that is pretty much it. Really simple, nothing really to go through. That's all we got. So thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.